Hello butterfly, welcome to Butterfly Dreams, and today I want to share with you some Dollar Tree must-haves for your crafty stash. First things first, I want to share with you this piercing tool, and they come two to a pack. You can find them in the Crafter Square section. There's a thinner version and a thicker version, and I think these work great for those dies that have lots of little holes and little ridges that you need to really pop out. This particular die is just very tedious and has lots of little holes, and so this really helps me pop them out. And there we have it. Next, I want to share my love for all the scissors that Dollar Tree offers. They even have name brand scissors. Right now I'm using the big scissors to cut out a piece of cardstock, and it's 110-pound cardstock. It cut through it really well. And then I love these detailing scissors to fussy cut, and they're newer at Dollar Tree in their Crafter Square section, but I think these are so good to have, especially if you're into planning. I could not believe when I found this cutting mat at Dollar Tree for a whole $1, and it is awesome quality. I also love these box cutters that are very handy when you're trying to create some projects, either using cardstock or cardboard. Here I'm cutting up a box, an ice cream box to be exact, and I'm using these cutters, and I'm just kind of showing you how easily it cuts through that. It cuts through like butter, and these usually come several to a pack, and they come in different colors. I always buy these. You can use them for all sorts of things in your crafts. You definitely need this in your life. I'm using this Eileen's tacky glue that I find at Dollar Tree as well. And my glue wasn't popping out, so I decided to use the little piercing tool to kind of create the little hole so that it can easily come out, and that did it. And then I love to use this spatula. It has like a silicone tip, and this is perfect to spread glue on your projects. I love how easily it glides on paper. The best part is that after you're done using it for your glue, you can just wash it off with soap and water, and it cleans off so well. Now I'm going to just adhere this piece of cardstock, and I want to show you that the piercing tool also doubles as a bone folder, a scoring tool, and I'm just going to really adhere the cardstock to the cardboard piece, smoothing it all out, just getting all of the air bubbles out of there, and voila. Last but not least, I love using this little broom to clean off my desk from all either glitter bits or paper bits, and it's so awesome for that. I am not the neatest crafter, but I love to just get those little pesky bits up with this mini broom from Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, fly free. Bye!